In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to add your Shopify store to Bing Webmaster Tools, which is simply Bing's equivalent to Google Search Console. Although our SEO efforts are generally centered around receiving more organic traffic and sales from Google, you can still receive substantial organic traffic from Bing as well as from Yahoo and DuckDuckGo, which are also powered by Bing. The best part is it only takes a few minutes to set up and configure everything, so it is well worth your time to do so, and I consider this a quick win for your Shopify SEO. So the easiest and most painless way to sign up for Bing Webmaster Tools is to only do this after you've already set up Google Search Console for your store. So what you want to do is just come to the main Bing Webmaster Tools page, bing.com/webmaster/about. You can Google it to find where the login is. And basically what you'll want to do here is to sign in, but using the same Google account as your Google Search Console. So that's the kind of key step here. So just click Google, select the same Google account that you use in Google Search Console. And yeah, you see that there's two different methods here. Basically, importing everything from Google Search Console. That's why this is the quick and easy way. It pulls over the sitemaps and everything that you already have set up in Google Search Console, migrates that over to Bing, and you pretty much be good to go right out of the box. If not, and you want to do this manually, you have to go through the same sort of verification process as you would go through on Google Search Console anyways, like adding different like XML files, HTML tags, one of those methods, just to prove that you own the site. So what you want to do is just come, you can't actually do anything from here, which is kind of strange. But just go to the dashboard. And obviously, if you haven't set this up, you won't have anything here. Click add a site. And then here's where you're actually able to then import everything. So just click import, continue, select your same Google account again. Give your life away there, sign away all the privileges, click continue. And then here you'll see all the sites in your Google Search Console. And yeah, just select the ones that you actually want to add here. Just click import. And yeah, you'll see everything got moved over successfully. That's at least how I've usually seen it. Usually works right away. Then you can just come to the site. And since I've already set up the site before, there's going to be data here. But if you're setting this up for the first time, you'll see there'll be a message saying, oh, it takes like 48 hours or something to get data. And you can come back and see what's going on with your site. And yeah, the main thing you'll want to check here, just make sure that the sitemaps actually pulled through correctly. So here, configuration, here we go, sitemaps. You can just see sitemaps, so this should be the same ones in your Google Search Console. That's why we connected them. But just make sure that it says like success here. So everything's pulled through correctly. The right number of pages are showing up. If not, then you can just submit a sitemap again for whatever reason if it's not pulling through correctly. And really that's all you need to do to get this set up. And then of course, you can come back and monitor search performance just like you do in Google Search Console over time to see clicks and impressions. As more data comes in. Well, one other thing, so Bing actually does a pretty good job of giving you actionable recommendations, useful ones. I mean, not all of them, of course, will be good ideas, but here you can see at least they'll give you kind of recommendations of things you can do, which is kind of nice. So you can check that out, see if it actually applies. Here, this actually is a good recommendation. Not sure what happened here, but on the store, there's no page title for whatever reason, which seems to be more of a Shopify issue than, I'm not sure how that happened, how this post got published without a title. So there are actually helpful recommendations that do come through here from Bing Webmaster Tools. And yeah, it's pretty much just a one-time setup here. And of course, you can monitor things over time, make sure everything pulls through, but really it's kind of just, I want to just get this set up, pull everything over from Google Search Console, and you kind of just set it and forget it after that. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a quick like. And for more Shopify tips and tricks, you can download my top 10 quick wins for Shopify SEO guide, linked in the description below, to learn 9 more actionable and impactful steps like this one to boost your organic results. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.